What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, you guys already know what time it is. We got another portfolio review from a subscriber, guys, and we're going to make sure that we unpack it as well as look at some stocks that I'll be buying. So keep it locked. I got a jam-packed video for you guys. We're going to also be discussing the importance of stop losses and how to keep your portfolio looking nice and clean on your journey. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, you guys, I can't thank you all enough, man, for the consistent love you all show. I was flooded with a bunch of portfolios, and so this one will be the one we unpack on today. Okay, so check it out, guys. If you want to share with us what you're currently holding, what you're looking to do long term, what short term, what are some of your trades, please don't hesitate to send it in. I love reviewing these and unpacking these for you guys. Okay, check it out. We have this one in front of us right here, guys, and I'm going to read off a few of these tickers. We got SE, we got AMD, we got Sava, we got Meta. Okay, now check out these first three, guys, and look at the gains these are having on the year, okay, or just all time. All right, and with that being said, this is a testament to buying low, okay, and then holding through the good times, the bad times, and then you'll be able to receive gains like this. And we're going to talk more about that in just a moment. Okay, check out Meta. Okay, Meta is having a horrible year this year. Okay, a lot of stocks like Meta and plenty others are down 80-90%. However, he's only down 2%, almost 3% in this particular play. Look at Vanguard. He has to be I love to see that. I see Tesla in here. Okay, only down 5%. Now check it out, guys. We got Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOG. Polygon, or otherwise known as Matic. This is a crypto play for you guys. Okay, XPXL, Algo, Starbucks, Carriers, SBLK is a ticker on that one. Second time this week I've heard ZIM, ZIM, EDRY, and then 8coin is sitting down there as well. And then, guys, SQQQ, that means he's short the Qs, or he's short the NASDAQ for this year. Okay, that's a nice way to play it. Now, this particular time period, the market has been going up, but I'm sure he's done pretty well throughout the year with all the times the market is going down. Matter of fact, speaking of SQQQ, guys, if you don't like to do puts, or you still haven't learned how to master puts, or you can't wrap your head around the concept of making money when stocks go down, you can make money by buying the SQQQ, okay, because as that go up, you and your money will go up. Okay, and then we got Berkshire Hathaway right here, guys. This is also a good one. Again, in a bear market, guys, everything will be down. Please don't get caught up in that. It's about the quality of the companies you are investing in that's most important. I see the SPY is in here. Okay, Microsoft, Hertz, and then Ether. Okay, this Hertz play lets me know this may be a trade or a belief that this may take off and have one of those 500% type of days. Okay, and so when I see people hold things like this in their portfolio, but they still have the other mix of quality, such as a Tesla, such as a VOO, such as a Microsoft, it's okay to do that. Okay, you don't want to rag on people if they take a flyer every now and then. I've seen some crypto in here, I see some Ether in here. Okay, but with that being said, guys, make sure you let me know what you guys are holding, but do me a favor, identify clearly for yourself what is long term. Okay, 1 to 3, 5 equals good, and then no more than 10. What are you holding long term? And then what is your short term holds? And then what are your trades? Always be mindful of those three things. Okay, just because you hold something don't mean that it's a forever hold. Okay, you can be in something like a Charge Point. Okay, you could have bought it with us, all the home runs we hit in that play, buying it at 15, selling it at 30, just doing that over and over and over again in all our plays from 2020 that we knocked out the park. Okay, if you still in them now, you have to ask yourself about your stop loss. We'll talk about that momentarily. Was it a trade for you, or was it a long-term hold for you? Those plays should have been trades in some regards if you was getting in low and selling high. Okay, but that's just something to think about when you are building out your portfolio. Okay, guys, now on to the 4 stocks I'll be buying more of this upcoming week, okay? And I'm going to kick things off with VTI, okay? That's the #1 play that I like to dollar cost average into. I love to buy on Mondays and Fridays, for example, just constantly building this out over time. And in a bear market, guys, and I'll show you this momentarily, it is a time where we sell the rip, okay? You sell rips in bear markets because you already know the stock is coming back down. I'm going to teach you an example in just a second, okay? And so you dollar cost average, you get these stocks low like we do around here. You guys know our price target. So for instance, with VTI, we buy this under 200. So we love it at 195, 190, 185, so on and so forth. And then we ride it up to this level. Boom, you up an easy 10% in this play. You can lock in some of those profits, anticipating another drop, whether before the end of this year or early into next year. That's how you be strategic, especially in a bear market, okay? Then look at this, guys. Verizon, ticker symbol VZ, sitting at $38.13. We're up in this one as well, guys. But again, you guys make sure that you understand what you're investing in and what the purpose is, okay? And then look at this one, guys. We're going to do a quick lesson with this one. This is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. Now check this out, guys. This one is currently sitting at $38.06. Let's go ahead and look at my position. I'm currently holding 94.5 shares. Okay, that's part of the dividend being reinvested. But all through this year, guys, and this is why I talk to you guys about buying low, okay? I'm up 11% in this, and I've took profit in this, okay? This has been up. I'm a type that in the bear market, I like to sell the rip. So you guys know how we constantly have these bear market rallies, all this pump faking that they do in a recession and in a bear market. The longer you guys are in the game, you will start to understand this, especially this next lesson we're going to teach and talk about, okay? But I bought this at 34.24 is my average cost, okay? I'm up 11% in this. So you do the math on my $1 million portfolios, okay, being up 11% on $1 million, or being up 11% on 100,000. You guys know how we put it down, okay? But Main Street is sitting here at this level right now, okay? Now check this out. We have Capital Southwest, ticker symbol CSWC, currently sitting at $18.21. Now watch this, guys. Last but not least is BGS. Look at this lesson, and this is what I'm going to teach you guys for today on your journey, okay? These are nuggets that's buried inside these videos. That's why it's important and imperative you watch these all the way through. All right, so BGS sitting at $12.99 right now. It was up 5% on Friday, okay? But watch this, guys. It is down on the week, or makes it break even. I'll call that flat, but it's down 16% the past month. All right, now watch this. Look at my position, okay? I'm down to 1 share, okay? My average cost is $16.84. The current price of this, remember, was $12.99. You want to manage your risk all the time, okay? You want to make sure that you are managing your portfolio and you're keeping up on it. Guys, even in my dividend plays, I'm not going down 22%. Look at how much this is down, okay? Now, it's okay when you only have 1 share. But you guys know we buy 125 shares minimum of everything. Okay, so if you need to know how many shares such and such you got, okay, now mind you, we're taking profit along the journey. So we took profit in this, but we got a stop loss that kicked us out way before this was coming down 22%. But this is the lesson. Guess what, or what do you guys think we're going to do next? Okay, next we're going to do, beginning Monday and again on Friday, okay, we're sitting here at $12.99. Look at this. I'm getting this 22% cheaper because I use my stop loss. We're managing our risk properly on the journey. This is how you continuously see your portfolio also make the proper gains and go up no matter what's going on. Like, you're going to have down days, you're going to have down months, but I'm talking about we're not going down 22% in anything. The stop loss is around 7 to 10%. Soon as it hit that 7% mark, boom, I'm out. Now I have all my cash at my disposal that was in this play, and then we go right back in, guys. And so I'm showing it to you now. You guys seen this play throughout the year, so you already know we've had way more shares than just 1 share, okay? But we're going to go back and build it all the way back up to 5,000, 7,500, but at the $12 level. So imagine when this go back to $14, $16. Okay, now we will be up 10%, 15%, 22%. And this is how you continuously manage your risk, but also grow your portfolio on your journey. Okay, now check this out. Even with all that being said, look at the revenue, the dividends, the passive income that this brought in. Okay, you got Verizon, okay, sitting at $122.13. Remember, my portfolio is like it is for a reason, okay, because it's designed to spit out money every single month like clockwork. Okay, so understand that when you're setting yours up. Okay, yes, I know it's a bunch of dividend aristocrats, it's a bunch of dividend kings, it's a bunch of great dividend companies out there. However, understand what you are trying to accomplish. For me, I just want to see money coming in every week. I want you guys to add this up and look at BGS. Okay, this is one we just talked about. Even where it's sitting at now, we received $163.88. We won't miss a beat, because when we go back and repurchase this now at $12 versus where we had it at $16, imagine how many more shares we can get at $12 than we could at 16, and then imagine how big the dividend will be. Okay, just something I want you guys to think about on your journey. Okay, managing your portfolio, making sure you stand on top of it, and keeping up with where you need to have your stop loss set, not allowing your plays to go down too significantly, but continuously dollar cost averaging. Okay, you got Maine paying out of $41.30 dividend, and you got Capital Southwest with $135, so on and so forth. Guys, listen, man, these are 4 stocks that I'll continue to buy for the remainder of this year. Dollar cost average. That means I'll buy a little bit on Monday, I'll buy a little bit more on Friday, and I'll buy even more as the prices come down. But I'm always having a stop loss on if it goes down too much, like that 7 to 10% range. Okay, listen guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.